In the Business Review this week, we look at some opportunities to help companies grow. In the spotlight, Contract Consultancy Jamaica, a local company that provides professional services for contracts and legal agreements.
Contract Consulting Jamaica, a service provider for individuals, businesses, and organizations in various aspects of contract management, negotiation, drafting, and review.
Contract Consulting Jamaica is a company that offers 3 service areas. The main one is proposal writing services or government contract acquisition services. Second one is call center services, and our third is janitorial services.
Marketing specialist Leanne Webster explains how CEO Shauna Barnes started the company.
Our CEO, she used to work with the government in the USA. She worked in procurement. And of course, she'd be the ones that would review the proposals. And she was realizing that a lot of persons that are submitting these bids are missing the mark by a few little errors, minor errors that they weren't able to pick up on without having the expertise or the time. So she decided to leave her job with the government and start a company that basically would cater to that need.
She believes it's an untapped niche, as many people are unaware of the growth possibilities for their companies.
A lot of persons, whenever they hear, oh, we help you win contracts with the government, they shy away from that because they're saying, oh, government take long for pay, or the process is too tedious, not knowing that with the persons that have the right expertise, the amount of time and just being in that niche could help them.
It comes at a cost, but it's an investment well worth it.
What we do as it relates to proposal writing is that we have an upfront fee of $300,000, and for 6 months we'll be sourcing bids on your behalf, writing the contracts, the proposal, on your behalf. And then once you've been awarded, for the first year we take 10% off your winnings. Yes.
Contract Consulting Jamaica has a US-based parent company called Complete Contract Consulting, which generates millions in revenue from supporting its clients.
But in the USA, our parent company has been able to secure over $400 million in revenue for their clients as it relates to proposal writing. So what we do is source the bids for you, write the proposals on your behalf, and basically hold your hand through the entire process.
So what does this mean for companies wishing to expand?
Let's say you are a small business that has a high volume of calls, but you don't have the area or the amount of employees to answer these calls. What we can do is answer your calls for your, let's say you don't even need more than 3 agents, you can have 1 virtual assistant, answer calls on your behalf, complete surveys, the whole works.
She says the company was able to see steady growth within months of operation.
We've only been in Jamaica for a little over 2 years now, so we're still fairly new to the market, but even within our first 4 months, we were able to be awarded a contract with the National Health Fund for our janitorial services.
Contract Consulting Jamaica has experienced substantial growth in the past 2 years, employing over 300 people locally and over 500 in the US and Colombian markets. The company aims to shift small businesses' perception of the government as a consumer, not just as a tax entity. For the Business Review, I'm Aisha Nation.